Hey, my name is Emma Savitsky, and I attended the University of Florida, graduating with a Bachelor's of Science, majoring in nutritional science. About halfway through college, I got my dental assisting license and started working in an oral surgery clinic. I was also in multiple dental societies and honors societies throughout college. I'm not quite sure what specialty I'm interested in, but I'm definitely interested in cosmetic dentistry and implants. Throughout college, I was on the dean's list. I also graduated UF with honors, and for volunteering, I started a mentor program about halfway through college where I connect middle schoolers from a nonprofit middle school to college students and really help these kids build relationships with someone that they're able to trust and look up to, develop a relationship between the two that lasts longer than just a year. I'm still in contact with the girls that I originally started with, and I'm still continuing the program now. And it really helps educate these kids and give them the motivation they need to develop a strong education mindset. A key to success in school is definitely finding a balance. You cannot push yourself 110% every day, all the time. You're gonna burn yourself out. It's so important to give yourself time to relax and to focus on stuff that you love and to build connections wherever possible, to talk to everybody, ask so many questions, and really take every opportunity that's out there. I have been through the process that you are going through right now, and I understand how stressful it may be. I have been there, and I'm here to tell you from the other side that it's worth it and keep going. And I'm here to motivate you and help you break down each step, each process, one check mark at a time. I'm also part of the dental admissions committee at the University of Pennsylvania, and I understand from their side, from the opposite side, what it takes for a student to get into dental school, what it takes for a student to be successful, and I'm really open to sharing my experiences. My greatest strength as a counselor or coach is communication. I think it's so important to be able to talk to people and to be able to help whoever you're working with figure out their strengths and their weaknesses and build upon both, and to really help everyone take a step back and take a breath and relax and break each step down one process at a time and have a very open communication mindset and understand that everyone has different views and it's really important to expand and learn from each other. I am very passionate about helping students because I was once in your position and I understand how stressful it may seem right now, how crazy and overwhelming it may seem, but I'm also here on the other side to tell you that it's worth it and that through taking everything one step at a time, you're able to achieve more than you can even imagine. And I wish I had a mentor and a coach to walk me through each step and tell me what they wish they would have done, what they're glad they did, break down the process, also learn from the dental admissions committee side of the application what they're looking for and really understand from a holistic view what it takes to be successful.